In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up or reset your keyboard on your iPhone. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your settings, then tap on General and here select Keyboard. There are all the keyboard settings and main settings is right here at the top. It calls Keyboards. Select that. Here we can adjust our keyboards. Now I have 3 of them, English, Russian and emoji, and here I can delete these keyboards. Just tap on edit button and then hit on that red icon to delete keyboards. I can change the order of that keyboards, and when I'm finished I just tap done. Also here I can add new keyboards. Just tap on that option. Use search bar to find the desired keyboard and just add it here. Another important option is text replacement. Here we can adjust our text replacements like OMV will convert into on my way. I can add it here. Type on plus icon, right here phrase, right here shortcut, and also I can delete these options. Just make a short swipe from right to the middle and tap on delete. And if we go back for a step, on that screen we got all the keyboard settings like auto capitalization, auto correction, check spelling, enable caps lock, predictive, and bunch of different options. And I can toggle on or toggle off some of that options to adjust my keyboard like I want. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.